Hello and welcome to Limitless Media UK. In this episode, Kirsten's car gets ravaged by a bunch of very mischievous and very naughty monkeys. I spot a deer. This is about as many birds as I can deal with at once. Here we are, so we are at, well not at, almost there, at Longleat. There's the big fatty mansion building over there. We're just cruising our way down a very nice tarmac road. Yeah, beautiful views around here, lovely views. Excited for a day of seeing animals and not getting shat on, hopefully. So,
My birthday.
for Kirsten's birthday, eh? 21st, but she's now 21st. It's now going to be her 21st every year. There's some sort of event going on over here. There's a fence up. Fatty rave down at the zoo. Come on. They're putting fence up for some sort of event over there anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a little while to go yet, but we'll record the day, see what happens. Nice, look at that. Fatty building. Look at this cyclist Norse going the wrong way. Yeah, we're heading towards the safari now. Safari! Plenty of fields around it. It's a shame it's not very sunny, but I mean anything's better than being in a black car with no AC on a very hot day. Well, imagine living there in that little like Narnia house. That'd be pretty cool. So now we're in Jurassic Park, waiting to be ravaged by a T-Rex in a minute. But yeah, it is mad views here.
Seems like Wales.
It's like being in Wales, but Wales in my rubbish Winglish accent. But yeah, this is a lot of driving. But we'll soon be there to go and see some animals. Kirsten's going to miss out the monkeys because she's already got one sat next to her, so she doesn't need any others to look at. Oh, crap. Kirsten doesn't want her copper-coloured wing mirror covers nicked either.
Yeah, because they all come off.
So yeah, still good. It just seems to go on forever, to be fair. But oh, there we go. A load of cows over there in that field. Look at those cows. That's what they probably beef up for the lions, I expect. There's loads over there. But yeah, sorry it's been just driving so far, guys. I wasn't expecting it to be so long, but we're getting somewhere, I think. Yeah, it is called Longleat. It's long. So we're now on a small housing estate up here. It's like, why is Longleat nowhere near Longleat? It's really weird. I was expecting the safari to be sort of on the same site, but this just seems to be
like West Midlands is.
You're just driving like 10 years. Still saying safari park on the sign. It's been saying that for the past how many flipping miles? 2 or 3 miles. Okay, I think we're getting nearer it now. We've got some signs up here saying, "Don't hang out the window of your GoPro, you idiot." That's exactly what I'll be doing later on. So, no, I'm joking, I won't be doing that. But yeah, still going. Pheasantry office.
Oh no, it's
Ah, this looks more like it. Right, well, you're never going to see us again now. So, we get eaten by hippos or something, or shafted by giraffes or something. So, yeah, never going to see us again. Oh, there's a giraffe-flavoured bus over there.
That's a zebra.
Huh?
That's a zebra.
Oh yeah. I just thought of giraffe because they're fairly tall. Yeah, it's a zebra-coloured bus.
No, but
Same colour as your panties, Kirsten. Kirsten's got zebra panties on today. So.
Yeah, it wasn't deliberate.
It wasn't deliberate. There's another blooming zebra coloured. So you could get you could get your thong out and stand next to those two and you'd match. Fuck's sake. So apparently it says here that you've got to follow the highway code while you're in here, so I'm very upset because I wanted Kirsten to do a burnout in there, but obviously we can't do a burnout unfortunately. So it's not very good Longleat. That's going to get a 1-star review for that. We can't send it in the safari. I thought the monkeys would love it if we did a fatty burnout in there for them, but
I'm not doing a bit.
maybe not. But here we are. Welcome to Longleat. Long Drive Leat. But there we go. Basically says you can do everything, including have sex in the car, but just keep the doors locked, keep the windows closed, and don't get out. So there we are. We're going to get going through. and see. We've got some African flavoured chickens, whatever they are. Barely see them.
Goats.
We've got a zebra L200. I've never seen one of those in the wild before. There's some goats. They're like stumpy goats, like half-sized goats, dwarf goats, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. And we have got, I've never seen one of those in the wild, Kirsten. And we've got half, someone's decided to cut half a giraffe up, which is not very nice, is it? Or it's like a glory hole for the giraffe, the other end's inside the building doing whatever they're doing to it, so who knows. But yeah, we might have to get out and do some walking later, although Kirsten doesn't like to do anything that involves exercise, unfortunately, which is why I'm so fat.
I want to go see all the koalas and things later.
I'll go out to walk for that. We've got two kids in the back of there thinking it's Jurassic Park. Nothing to be excited about, love, it's just some grass. And yeah, so we can see some animals all lying about, but there's a zebra over there. Oh, we've got another zebra. We've got a Jimny this time, limited edition, look. Look at that. So you could probably see more zebra-themed vehicles than you are going to see zebras.
There's zebras.
And actually, we say this, but there are actually zebras
What are they?
in here. Huh?
They got no horns. What's that? They're sheep.
They're like those. They're like skinless, wool-less sheep.
Please filter into 2 lanes.
But they got black heads.
I'm happy to do that.
Yeah, one's the. Kirsten's going for the overtake. She's going for the overtake. We have got some zebras. These are basically horses, but they've been painted overnight. No one knows. It seems like they're having a good time. See, they've all. There's another RAV4 there. Looks like a zebra. Some ostriches over there.
What are the emus?
That's an ostrich, I think. I think it is anyway. I'm just like, what the hell are all these people doing in my land? Some zebras over there. Pull over here, down on the corner. Down there on the corner.
So cute. One's showing his bottom up to everyone.
Yeah. It's cool, isn't it? That's what are they called?
Buffaloes.
No, it's not. That's not a buffalo, Kirsten. That's is it a wildebeest? I think. It's not a buffalo, Kirsten. Don't be ridiculous. Is that crows over there? What are those crows doing over there, man? But yeah, as you can imagine, all the animals stay obviously away from the roads, which is understandable. But hopefully we can get some more close-ups later on. Hopefully. We've got some flamingos over there enjoying themselves.
My favourite animal.
Some fatty like oxes over there, or oinks, whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. They're not deers. They're not. Look at them all down there enjoying themselves.
We can't bypass it. Oh no.
Guys are going to have no wind deflectors left in a minute.
They're going to steal
Look at them down there. They're the ones with the like the twisted straight horns. I think they're called oinks or something. I think. Orinks or something. I don't know. Can you go around them? Oh, don't be a loser, Kirsten. I did tell you those monkeys when I saw that earlier. Look at those vultures.
What on earth? They're ugly. They're not.
They're just sat there chilling. Just sat there chilling out. Look at them. Look at all up there as well. Look. Kirsten, don't be such a loser.
No, because it says will cause damage.
Some funky, spiky headbirds there. Look at them. They are massive. Make pigeons look small. The size of them. Beware monkey mechanics at work. Ready to take apart Kirsten's Japanese-built beast. Can't even see any at the minute.
Oh, they're over there. That's why they can chill over there. Oh, look at the ostrich emu thing.
So we were a minute ago, all the zebras and ostriches over there. Here we are.
If everyone's coming through and
why are you driving round it? Just let it go round you, bro. This guy here is confused as to what to do. Oh, look at that! Look at this one. Coming up here, it's a tiny ass little monkey.
They are dirty,
And they're running down to eat their own poo. Oh no. So let me in your car, motherfucker. Here they come. Oh, on the cars they go. Look at the size, they are so small.
Bitty monkey.
Look at the size, aren't they so small? That's a diddly little one. Oh,
Hello.
is he going on the Oris or under the Oris? Can't see, where's he gone?
I don't know.
Can't see.
Oh, he's...
Hey bud. nothing there for you. It's just so weird.
I've got a monkey on the car.
Fuck off! Where's it gone? Oh, fucking hell, they're all coming now. The whole gang's coming down here
it's just gone
now.
down the back, it's off, we're okay.
Is it?
We're safe to move you.
He hasn't taken anything. Nick your wheel caps.
No, he's alright.
Here he is. Oh, there's more of them coming now. We've got an army of them coming over here now. Look at this. Do you know what? They are so cute. They really are very cute. Oh, oh, onto the MG. What can we nick off the MG? Go on, take the aerial.
No.
Yeah. Look at them.
They're just chilling. Oh, he's comfy up there.
Oh, he's found something he's trying to eat inside the MG over there. Oh, that's the he's eating the aerial. He's just chilling on that guy's MG. He's trying to eat something. Oh, there's the aerial. Oh, now they're fighting on the roof. They're all, that's my aerial. No, he's literally his foot. They are literally chilling on the MG over there. Look at him. No, he's taking the aerial.
No, I want it.
It's like, oh,
It's literally just
well, he's like ready to jump on the.
Nah, I think he's a granddad monkey.
Look at him. He's
They're
just
babies.
Look at them all.
Ah! Why?
Hey, bud.
They go. That's my
Take short son's where they got the. Custer, look! Look behind you! Hello, bud. Hello, bud.
He's just chilling. It's on my.
Look at this one, Custer, look behind you.
Why? Get off me, go.
Look at that one behind you, look.
This one there is.
Yeah, I know. Look. Hey, I haven't got anything for you.
Look at it.
I haven't got anything for you at all. Look at him.
Oh, he's eating something.
Look at them.
He's eating something off my car.
They're literally chilling out. They're all on your car. They like your car, Custer. What have you sprayed it in? Oh, what's that?
What?
What's that?
What?
What's that?
Oh no, they've got my trim. Please leave that be.
Is it a roof trim? I would try and grab it, but. Oh God.
I don't want it. Get it off. Okay, they left it. Oh, if that chills there, we'll be okay.
I would try and grab it, but we'll get in trouble for it. Well, Kirsten's roof trim's on there. I didn't take anything else off yet. Have you got an aerial on this car, Kirsten?
It's tiny, tiny one. I'm able to get it off. Just a little bit off.
Oh, they're gone now. I just want to try and grab that. Oh, if I don't get in trouble. Nice.
No, if it chills there, it'll be okay. It's not going to go into that.
That was an experience. I've actually pulled your roof.
That does come off, to be fair.
No, does it?
Yeah.
There we
At
go.
least it didn't nick my window factors. I'm happy because they cost me nice.
So we survived so far, but I don't know if that is the end of the monkey ravage.
I think monkeys a little.
It is really annoying because I do want to grab that, but
I know, but I have to keep it like that.
it should be okay. Well, you know what they even are. They're like not Bambi, but little. What do you call them? I was about to say alpacas. That's not the right word. Gazelles, isn't it? I think. Is there any more monkeys to ravage us? I think they just ravage you as you come in. Oh no, Kirsten! I thought this is the way out, but you've got to go back around it all
Yeah,
again.
you gotta go see all the monkeys again. I'll be trying to steal
I
some.
want to grab that. Oh, got this two on that van over there. Oh no, Kirsten! They're going to literally run off of you.
Grab that.
You're not meant to, are you?
No.
We've retrieved the trim. They've literally peeled this trim
Yeah,
off.
it does come off. It's just it's come off before in the wind.
So yeah, I just want to grab it. Not really meant to, but was that like that before?
Yeah, it's broken.
Was that like that? Was it? All right. Nothing super good. You can't sort it out. So I bet for the monkeys, for them, it's an experience. Like,
Okay, we're gonna bypass that one.
it's just an experience for them, you know.
Probably have a lot of fun.
They
doing
probably
it.
enjoy, you know. Yeah, enjoy. Oh, look at the little baby one, Kirst.
Baby monkey.
That's like mummy and baby there.
Pretty sure they're the ones that just nicked whatever they nicked.
No, that one's. Look at this. That is mega tiny though. Really small. That one. I'm going for the MG again.
That poor MG is just like its aerial's been bitten off.
Nick the badge off it. They're built like crap anyway. He literally sat right in front of the car at the moment. You can probably just see him sat down at the side. Little. Look at this. Look at this. He's eating stuff off the tyres at the minute. He's just taking something off the tyre. He's sniffing it.
Hello, monkey.
He'll have to sit like. Oh, he's literally sat on that guy's mirror.
Guess it's called it's just there's a baby. I've seen the babies on there as well.
I don't know.
Oh, I can't see it, so I'm just gonna drive. They're funny though, aren't they? They're just like looking.
Oh, you're going off the aerial again.
No, that one just like chilling. I don't know where that baby's gone. I think it may be on the front of the car.
Well, it hasn't been run over, so it's a start, isn't it? He's playing with the aerial.
Look at that geezer.
He looks rough as
He's just
fuck.
like, I've had enough of this.
He's hung over there.
Definitely hung over. He's an old man. That's if Lewis was a monkey. Oh yeah, there is another monkey.
Yeah. Is there?
That's a baby one. It's tiny.
Is that the baby one, is it?
They were eating something off my car, but I don't know what it was.
That is tiny ass little baby. Look at the size of it. It's just nuts over there, that monkey is. I think there's going to be one coming on a car, I think. Or there's one in front of... Oh, there he is. Hello, bud.
Hey, mate.
Nothing for you to take.
Pretty cute. He's just chilling.
Yeah, he's got up on the top now. See another bit of flipping body panel come flying down.
There is one sat on my car.
Is that?
Yeah. I don't know if that's the same monkey or not.
No, you can see them all over there having a little fight between them all.
There's nothing really to nick up there, mate. It's still on there. Yeah, it's just chilling.
Is he?
Just chilling up there, yeah.
There's a lot of them here. Look at them all.
Get up. He's literally just sat on the top of it, just watching the wheel go by. I think that's an old man.
Having the time of their life. Look at them all.
Someone's breakthrough is squeaky.
Quite, he's an old bugger. Look at him. The one on top of that VW over there. He's old as fuck. He is.
Or maybe that's my brake.
He's laying down on top. Look, he's just laying there on top of that. Look. Look on top of the VW. Look.
Oh, I think the monkey just jumped onto the force on my car.
Huh?
I ain't got a monkey on mine though, he's gone.
He's just laying on the roof of the VW. Look.
He's like, oh, I like it.
Chilling. There are loads of them down. Nice.
What's he eating? It's poo. That's nice.
Good nutrients. There's loads over there. Look at them all over there now.
Yeah, but
They're all hanging over here. Look at them. They're freaking everywhere over here. Absolutely everywhere.
don't just sit in the road, mate. Move.
Yeah, people are a bit nervous when it comes to driving around these, don't they?
Well, yeah. What are you gonna do? Like, if a monkey.
That one's got a baby hanging on its underside, I think. Down there on the left. Unless he's fat. You can't see his MGs in the way, but hopefully we can see that in a minute. That's pretty cool. He's got a little one hanging. He's got a baby under.
This one has as well, Lewis.
Where?
Look how tiny it is.
Where? Which one? I can't see.
Over here.
Oh, he's got a little baby underneath his belly down there. No, that one there was back to us, look.
Yeah, but there's another one over there. You can actually see the baby.
Yeah. The baby's hanging off that one as well over there, look.
It's a mummy monkey.
Everyone loves the MG.
It's the babies that are the monkeys, literally.
Oh,
Hi.
Hello, bud.
Hi, mate. Can't nick anything on you.
There you go. Yeah, you're famous now. Do you want a sticker for being on the YouTube channel? Do you want a sticker? Yeah, he wants a sticker. Hello. They're everywhere now. There's a little baby on that one down there.
Hello, mate.
They are everywhere. They are. Look at them all. They're going mad out here. Oh, they've all got babies cursing on them underneath, on the undersides.
He's on the road.
He's shagging that one while he's got a baby. You dirty. Why are you shagging? Look, there's a little baby underneath that one. To be fair, it's probably all just the mothers trying to protect their little ones, really. It's just all the squabbling's about, I guess. Oh, look at the size of the little baby ones down there.
Look, he's carrying him. Oh my goodness.
Look at the size of the little. Look, he's holding him there.
Oh.
Look, he's holding the little baby.
Oh. That is so cute.
He's not coming up here with a baby. Oh, look at the little one. Sitting here to watch. Look at the little baby, Kirst.
Oh my goodness. You've got some boobs. I can't see now.
Look at the little baby, look. Look, Kirsten.
I can't see though.
Turn around with it. Oh, he's got up there with a baby now. There's another one down there with a baby as well.
They've got. I've seen. Ah!
Yeah, they're everywhere, aren't they?
They're all on my car now. I've got 4 on there.
So many little ones down there, eh?
Maybe they just get off you that windscreen wiper. It's got a very red bottom.
Yeah.
That's cute. Where are they going?
Red Bum's chasing
I can't
the one with a little kid.
see.
The old ones are just sat here chilling, look, just like loving their life.
I don't think they're silly enough, they are.
There's another little babies down there as well.
Oh, cute.
There's little babies in the grass over there as well. We've got some horny cows over here. No pun intended. Look at the frickin' size of those horns. Gee whiz. Quite funky, they've almost got like a spotted colour to
They're
them.
like patterned.
Hmm?
They're like patterned, aren't they? Look.
Yeah. Pretty funky, aren't they?
Disco cows.
Horny cows, I reckon they're called.
Well, yeah, they pretty much are, aren't
The size of those horns. Jesus. Some rain. And yeah, I was just saying how long the cow's necks are. It's coming over here, he is.
they? Oh my lord, look at them.
We've got like an alpaca looking one, and then we've got sort of like a not alpaca looking one. They're like white and brown.
Yeah, I think he's like a different breed because they're dark. Look at the size of those humps there.
Yeah. They're pretty hefty, aren't they?
I wonder why they keep water in them.
Hmm?
I wonder why they keep water in them. God, that's crazy. Imagine some of those on your back.
Yeah, they're quite exaggerated, aren't they?
They're huge. That one's a bit floppy over there. He's got a floppy hump.
They're either shedding their hair or that's just how they are.
Yes, look, that one's got a floppy hump.
It has, yeah. I guess they get all the water out of the grass, I guess, today. I don't really know.
I don't really know. I think they need water.
Get your camel out. Antelopes have got some long ass horns on them. Let's go chew my hand off. Hey! They are gentle. Round the other side, bud.
Yeah. Come on.
Other side. No, they're not through here. Oh, Jesus Christ, Custard.
Here we go.
You're well behaved, aren't you?
They're very cute.
Yeah, they are.
You want some too, pal?
Oh, let's go around your side, Kirst. Hey, buddy.
You want to cut this one? Yeah.
He's rubbing his nose on your wind deflector over here. Yeah, there's one on the other side now, bud. Other side.
Yeah, have some more food. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. That's right. You carry on. Oh, bloody hell, Kirsten. He's there as well. There you go.
Alright, hang on. Here you go, mate. There we go.
I would stroke you, but I don't think you like that, would you?
All gone, dude.
We're all gone.
All gone.
Sorry.
You have to go find another one.
Got a big tongue. He's gone. Not interested. Got no food. There we go. What an experience that was. Some deers over there, chilling out. In the centre
And
there.
Bambi.
Little ones are. The little
In the
ones are
middle.
I think they're coming up over there, are they? There's some more coming up over here as well, I think. Little one having milk. Yeah, Kirsten's car's a bit warm. Come around your side, Kirsten. I was saying hello.
Hiya, mate. Your number's 69, 68. I ain't got no food. I ain't got none. Sorry. I used it on the other ones.
Yeah, you got a nice little lake sort of river thing down here for him, look. A little bit of water for him. I expect they appreciate that.
Look at the Bambis, look.
All the little baby ones are there.
Ducks in there.
Yeah. Get your duck out. Look at them all. Look at them. Some rhinos over there, bud. Some bloody rhinos. Look at them. Chilling out over there. Eating some flipping hay. Very calm, docile creatures, considering they are very deadly when you upset them. And there's a heap of crap. Imagine having to clean up all that crap they must produce. There must be so much of it. Nice. So all the tigers appear to be separated. You probably can't see it, bro, because there's water on the window. It's over there. There. It's hard without any zoom. Yeah, they seem to be in there sort of. There's one over in the enclosure there, and there's one further over there as well. But as you would imagine, for big cats, they're just very docile. So not going to see too much of them really. Some hiding over there in the grass. You can't really see. You've got one on the left, one on the right over there. Like just getting up and moving.
Aww.
Yeah, they're a bit bigger, aren't they? Oh, hello. Yeah, actually pull up on the gravel, Kirsten. Bloody Kirsten. Kirsten when it comes to driving, eh? over here chilling out.
He's a big boy, he's an old boy.
They look so amazing with the manes, don't they? She thinks it's a zebra, that's why.
Just chilling. Hello. They're massive, aren't they?
Yeah, nothing is like that. Don't know what they feed the lions here, but they're pretty big.
I know.
Well, there's one running down there then. Where's it gone?
There.
Ah, yeah, I told you it was there, see?
Hi, gorgeous.
One over there. Lone female, and we've got big fluffball male over here. Chilling right out. He's enjoying his bones, look. There's all the rest licking themselves. There's crows. What is up with those crows? They literally stood there next to a lion. What are they on? The lions don't even care.
The lions are used to it.
Gee whiz, you're a brave crow, bro. Another one over there.
Here.
There's three of it. He's got a something.
Some sort of thing.
Bones or something, yeah.
Looks like a dog. Basically, it's a dog.
There's one coming over here.
Do. You coming, Nate? Come on then. Here we go.
They are nice, aren't they, bless them? No, not very nice, very friendly, but they are.
They look like huskies. They pretty much are like.
This cheeky wolf down here is hindering us leaving because they can't open the gate. He's down this way, so they've got him to move on. So we didn't die. That was an enjoyable experience, which was good. So yeah, Kirsten's car made it, apart from that bit of trim that we've got to put back on in the car park in a minute. So I think our next step is to have some lunch, and then I think we're going to continue on elsewhere, see what else we can go and see and what we can find.
Koalas.
Koalas for Kirsten, yeah. That past the festival again, that. So we survived the monkey onslaught, apart from they literally removed that. How did that even stay in there? Oh, so just pulled that out, yeah. There we go, so we're back in. That's what they pulled off. Oh yeah, they proper pulled that off, haven't they? Did like that before? So it's going to come off on the way back? You can see because of my shadow, but there are some otters in there.
They're sleeping.
I don't know if you can see it better when you're stood in the way. Yeah, you probably can. There we go. Look at this big old lazy bugger up here. Look. Quite massive though for a little thing, to be fair. He's got his own little land to how around him. Look. The meerkat's loving his life over there. With the porcupines in the corner. Hey buddy.
He's not meant to be in there.
He's loving his life in there. Look. Basically, it looks like a giant rat.
It's a rock hyrax.
It's a what?
A rock hyrax.
It's like a fatty rat. Look at the size of it.
It's cute, look.
Sort of hiding between here. Oh, there he is. Jesus Christ. Look at the size of that.
It's a giant anteater.
It's got such a skinny face. Look at that tail as well. It's got a proper bush. It's long. Do you want to see some dick? We're going to go see some dick right now. So we've got some aardvarks down there, look. Sitting in the corner, sort of chilling out, enjoying the heat. I don't blame them, to be fair, because it's pretty cold today. So we've got some meerkats chilling out over here, having a good time. There's loads over there, look. There's one over there, we've got the table. Look. Having a good day. Another one over there on his own legs up. What would you get when Pikachu goes kinky? We've got a fox and we've got what looks like a very friendly, oversized rat. You see him in there, look, over there.
Don't know what that is.
Yeah, what's that doing in there with the fox?
Don't know, the fox doesn't mind though.
Fox is chilling. Yeah, look at the size of it, look. It's like a little baby. Look at it. It is like a rat with no tail. A little house, look. And they're chilling out, look.
They're squeezing them to suffocate it.
Can you spot the snake? Can you spot the snake, look? Where is it? Come on.
Hello. Hello.
Shut up. Do it again, Kirst. Come on.
Hi. Hello.
And again.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Yeah, he's chilling out there. Ready
Hello.
for a show, I expect.
Hello.
Send it. You gonna say send it? No? Oh, what about Limitless Media is the best? Come on.
Send it.
Send it. I don't.
Hello.
Oh. What do you think of Lewis Taylor?
No comment.
He said fucking badass. Oh, hello, thank you. Kirsty's gonna get jealous in a minute if you carry on flirting with me like that. So what do you think of Kirsten? What do you think of Kirsten? Any ideas?
Hello. Hello.
Lost for words, Kirsten.
No, he's fed up of our shit.
He's gone to sleep.
Bye.
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 No, that's not happening.
No.
Bye, Parrot.
Bye bye. Yeah, look at him. What a cutie. Good for you, bud. Oh my gosh, these are crazy. What was it like feeding? What was it like feeding them, Kirsten?
I never liked food.
That's it, on my arm, bro. I haven't got anything for you. Jesus Christ.
You like me?
Huh? Well, I've got one, two on my arm. I haven't even got anything for you. My God. Well, look. Are they just coming with me, are they? Looks like they are, yeah. I haven't got anything for you. Go ahead, forget. I haven't got anything. I haven't got anything. Kirsten, do you need some support?
There's none in there.
It's got a long ass tongue.
This one's just my friend, isn't you? Oh, my pal, isn't you? There's none left in there, mate.
Look at his tongue.
Don't bite me. It's licking my hand. Lick that. Lick that. There you go. Yeah, you lick that. It's licking my finger. Give me kisses.
Lovely.
I've got a parrot friend now. There you go. You can lick that. No, that is its food.
Let's go, Kirsten.
Taking my parrot with me. Are you going?
No.
Got a parrot friend.
Try it, Kirsten.
No more, mate. Ow. Right.
Oh my gosh, that was a vibe. That was awesome.
I thought.
Do you enjoy that?
I don't like birds, but
You got ravaged then.
I literally got ravaged for about 20 days.
Over here he's also sleeping as well. That's it. There he is, look. Looking at my fat gut, thinking what he can munch on. Look at all these fish as well. So many of them.
Did you eat them though?
No, I know, but I wouldn't be in there if he ate them all, but look at them all, there's so many of them. There he is, Mr. Croc. Give me some side eye at the minute.
Hello, Croc.
Some gorillas over there, though.
Oh, look, he's sat on me.
And because that person will have a lot of respect for our boys, which is why we put them all the way up here. This is the quietest part of the park. We know that they get nice and quiet. And that's also why we put the direction fence around the front. That's not actually there to keep the gorillas. Gorillas offer all that fine line in between immersive experience. So, speaking of, we're heading to sea lion. I will remind you when you get the first person on the other side and see the sea lion as a particular rule.
They know they're about to get fed.
Yeah? Alright then, so what were your thoughts on today, Kirst?
It's good.
Is that what you've got to say?
Oh no, I enjoyed it.
First time being here?
Yeah, for a long time.
Yeah. Same here. Last time I was here, I think I was about
I was little.
8.
Yeah, I was little. I was like
Yeah.
4.
Craziness. So yeah, as an adult experience, it's still a very good day out. So I definitely recommend it. definitely come down here. It was about just under £80 for both of us, wasn't it? Just under.
Yeah, it's like 75 if you don't get the ticket thing, but if you can't go, you can get money back if you pay the £3 extra.
Is that what it is? Yes, there we go. So about £40 each, and it's been an excellent day. So hope you enjoyed this little video, something a little bit different. And me and Kirsten should have some more adventures in the future, and we'll definitely document them. So we'll see you again whenever we do soon.